Ever notice this? You open your phone for one message. Next thing you know, it's 2 a.m. and you're watching a guy restore a rusty knife with dramatic music. You didn't choose that video. The algorithm chose you. Today, I'm breaking down how algorithms decide what you see using apps you already use. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. No tech jargon, no conspiracy stuff, just how the system actually works. The algorithm has one mission: keep you on the app as long as possible. Not educate you, not make you happy, not make you smarter. Time equals money. Your attention equals product. So every app is basically asking, what content will make this guy not close the app? That's it. That's the game. You think you're watching videos. The app is watching you. It tracks things like what you click, what you scroll past, what you watch twice, what you rewatch, what you like, what you comment on, how long you pause. Not what you say you like, what you actually do. Example, you stop for 3 seconds on gym videos, car videos, relationship drama. The algorithm says, this man is in his main character arc, so it sends you more of that. You train it, like a dog, but backwards. Ever thought, why is my phone reading my mind? It's not reading your mind, it's reading your patterns. If you watch breakup videos, then motivation videos, then money videos, the algorithm thinks he's sad but wants to feel powerful. So your feed becomes hustle clips, gym transformations, prove them wrong quotes, rich guy podcasts. Congrats, you just built a personality playlist. Here's the dark part. The algorithm doesn't care if content is healthy, true, or balanced. It cares if it makes you react. And the strongest reactions are anger, fear, desire, jealousy, and shock. That's why drama spreads, rage bait spreads, extreme opinions spread. Everyone is lying to you videos spread. Calm videos don't keep you scrolling. Chaos does. Your brain evolved for danger. The algorithm exploits that. Once the algorithm learns what you like, it starts showing you more of the same type of content. This creates an echo chamber. Same opinions, same worldview, same jokes, same anger. It feels like everyone agrees with me, but really, the algorithm filtered out everyone who doesn't. It's like living in a house where every mirror agrees with you. Short-form video is designed to remove friction. No searching, no choosing, no thinking, just swipe. Each video is a lottery ticket. Maybe the next one will be even better. Your brain releases dopamine when something is unpredictable, not when it's meaningful. That's why 5 minutes equals 45 minutes. Real quick. You don't need to become a monk and throw your phone in the ocean. You just need to train the algorithm back. Simple moves. 1. Watch on purpose. If you want better content, watch better content longer. Search for skills, fitness, money basics, learning. The algorithm adapts. 2. Stop hate watching. If you watch stuff you disagree with but can't stop watching, congrats, you just told the app you love it. Scroll past. 3. Turn off autoplay sometimes. Choose videos instead of letting the feed choose you. 4. Use time limits. Not forever, just enough to stop the black hole. You don't need control 24/7, just enough to stay conscious. The big idea: the algorithm is not evil, it's not smart, it's not wise, it's just a mirror. It shows you what you react to, what you linger on, what you consume. So your feed is basically your habits visualized. If your feed is trash, it's not judging you, it's reporting data. Now here's something most people miss. Creators are also controlled by the algorithm. They see which videos get views, which ones die, which ones explode. So what do they learn? Calm equals ignored. Extreme equals rewarded. That's why titles become, "This will change your life." They don't want you to know this. Everything is a lie. Not because it's true, but because it works. Over time, content becomes louder, more emotional, more dramatic, not smarter. The algorithm doesn't create madness, it selects for it. Ever notice how after scrolling for a long time you feel restless, irritated, empty, unmotivated? That's not random. Your brain just absorbed other people's success, other people's drama, other people's anger, other people's fear, without doing anything real. It's like eating mental junk food. You're full, but not nourished. Here's the scary part. Over time, your feed doesn't just shape what you watch, it shapes what feels normal, what feels true, what feels important. If you see 100 videos saying the same thing, your brain starts thinking, well, it must be true. Not because it is, but because it's repeated. Your worldview slowly becomes whatever the algorithm feeds you. That's power. You can't turn off algorithms, but you can decide what kind of person trains them. Every swipe is a vote. Every pause is a signal. Every rewatch is a command. You're teaching a machine, this is who I am. So ask yourself, do I want a feed built from drama, jealousy, rage, comparison, or from skills, health, ideas, growth? Because both are available. The algorithm doesn't choose, you do. Ever notice this? When you're broke, you see money videos. Heartbroken, you see relationship advice. Motivated, you see gym and discipline clips. Bored, you see memes and drama. Your feed evolves with your mood. Because the algorithm doesn't just learn who you are, it learns who you are right now. Bad week, it gives you emotional content. Good week, it gives you performance content. So your feed becomes a mood ring for your life, which is wild because most people never notice when that shift happens. They think the internet changed. No, you did. Have you tried watching a 30-minute video lately? Be honest, after years of short clips, your brain expects instant payoff, constant novelty, no effort. So when a video takes time, your brain goes skip, skip, skip. Short-form content trains your attention like junk food trains your appetite. You don't lose intelligence, you lose patience. And patience is what learning needs. That's why deep work feels harder after heavy scrolling. Not because you're lazy, because your brain adapted. Here's a sneaky one. Watching business clips, gym advice, study tips, motivation reels feels productive. But it's not the same as working, exercising, studying, building. It's like watching cooking videos instead of cooking. Your brain gets the feeling of progress without the effort of progress. That's why you can scroll for an hour and think, I did something today, but nothing actually changed. Information isn't transformation. Action is. Try this experiment. Sit in a room with no phone, no music, no video, no notifications. Just you and your thoughts. Feels weird, right? Because your brain got used to constant input. The algorithm filled every quiet moment. Waiting in line, sitting on a bus, lying in bed, eating alone. Silence became illegal. But silence is where ideas form, decisions happen, self-awareness grows. The algorithm doesn't want silence. Silence means leaving the app. Algorithms are getting better. Not smarter, better at predicting you. Soon, your feed won't just react to what you watch, it will anticipate what mood you're in, what you're likely to click, what will keep you longest. Which means the real battle isn't technology, it's awareness. People who understand this system will use it as a tool. People who don't will live inside it. Same phone, different outcome. So next time you say, my phone is ruining my life, nah, your phone is just very good at giving you what you train it to give you. You don't need to beat the algorithm, you just need to stop feeding it junk. Because in the end, you're not addicted to your phone, you're addicted to what it learned about you. And now you know how it works. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Your feed is not random. Your addiction is not accidental. Your time loss is not mysterious. It's all logical. A machine learned what excites you, what scares you, what keeps you still, and then gave you more of that. You don't need to destroy your phone. You don't need to escape society. You just need to remember, every swipe is a decision. Every pause is a lesson. Every feed is a reflection. The algorithm isn't your enemy. Unconscious scrolling is. And once you see the system, you don't live inside it anymore. You use it.